This is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro version 01020330 FOV boost lens that's coming in the near future. So we have betaware with the software already installed. I'm going to show you what's available and not available. As you can see, I'm on 4K, 4 times 120 frames per second, standard DWARP. And when we're on this screen, you don't see standard DWARP. Also, if you're on slow motion is not allowed for boost lens. Did you know that? So we're going to leave it on slow motion, and we're going to enable FOV boost lens underneath the wireless mic. And here we go. We're going to shut it down. Oh, I hit something wrong. I apologize. And we go automatically to video mode. And we're on 4K 30 Rocksteady W. If we go into our switches, we have Super Night, Time Lapse, Photo, and our customs to use. So we're able to do all our boost lens in those particular modes. So when I switch back, notice the W, and there's the icon. When I switch back and get it off of lens boost and close out, we are not going back. But if I go into Super Night, it stays on wide. And if I go into slow motion, it stays on standard. So we know whatever boost lens does, it changes everything for you. So please make sure that whatever customs you have, photo you have, video you have, Super Night you have, that as well as time lapse you have, that if you're not on wide and on standard, make sure it's correct. I would like them to come in here and offer us an icon for standard as well. Those are the issues with FOV boost lens.